Please welcome Adobe CMO Ann Lewnes.
Good morning. How's everybody doing? So yesterday you saw how Creative Cloud empowers anyone to create anywhere, anytime, and with anyone. Today, we're going to hear from some of the most inspiring creative people in the world, the best of the best. At Adobe, we believe in creativity for all. Creativity is what sets us apart and what brings us together. And creativity doesn't happen without a community. Whether you're on Behance or Instagram or one of the 15,000 amazing people live in this room today, creatives want to be with their people. We want to come together to be inspired, to learn, to connect, because that's what a community does. One of the best things about our community is how incredibly talented you all are. What you create with our products is simply amazing. And at every available opportunity, we love to showcase your work. So a few years ago, we came up with an idea called Creative Challenges. In partnership with celebrated artists, filmmakers, and musicians, we pose our community with a creative challenge: a poster, a video, a skateboard, and then we ask you to create your best work. We've partnered with Sundance, Tony Hawk, Imagine Dragons, Vampire Weekend, 21 Pilots, and most recently, our guest today, Billie Eilish. And the results have been staggering. To date this year, we have received over 430,000 submissions of work from all of you. Billie Eilish challenged our community to create their interpretation of her album, When We All Fall Asleep, Where Do We Go? Nearly 8,000 young people submitted work for this challenge, and the winner of the challenge was a young woman named Sarah Millward, 16-year-old from Australia, and Sarah's prize was a once-in-a-lifetime chance to meet Billie at one of her recent shows here in LA. In September, we launched a back-to-school activation with Reddit, playing off of one of our most famous features, layers. And Reddit turned its homepage into a massive blank canvas, and visitors were each created their own unique layers. In just 5 days, 150,000 unique layers were created, and 3 million people went to the site. It was the biggest community event ever on Reddit. And you can see what they created behind me. And we just completed our latest challenge with the new Terminator Dark Fate movie. The mission here was to create your fate and remix the movie trailer, and this is like a pretty difficult challenge, but we still received thousands of submissions, and today I'm happy to announce the winner right here on stage, Brian Twack. Yeah, there he is. Brian will be getting a private screening of the Terminator movie with 50 of his closest friends, and his work is also going to be showcased at the Terminator booth in the Community Pavilion, which is also amazing. Please make sure you go there, as well as on terminator.adobe.com. So please give all our Creative Challenge winners a big round of applause. And please look out for these creative challenges and submit your work. We love it, and we're going to promote your work, so please participate.